Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss a question of HCF and LCM that has come in CSAT 2024. So the question is 421 and 427 when divided by the same number, leave the same remainder 1. So the remainder they are leaving is 1. How many numbers can be used as the divisor in order to get the same remainder 1? So before going on to the question, let us discuss something about dividing a number. Suppose if I am dividing 4 by 3, so this will give me the remainder as 1, right? So if I am saying that I have to subtract 1, that means the remainder I'm subtracting that from the number, then this should be completely divided by this number. So this is completely divided, 3 is completely divided by 3. So similarly, if we are saying that 421 and 427 when divided by a number, they leave the remainder 1, that means that number is completely dividing 420 and 426. यही तो पता चला ना, जैसे यहाँ पे हमने एक एक सब्ट्रैक्ट किया दोनों में से, तो वैसे ही हमने 421 से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 420, 427 से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 426. नाउ अब इन दोनों को जो नंबर डिवाइड कर रहा है कंप्लीट to find, and that can be find using HCF. So this is our target, that we have to find the HCF of 420 and 426. So before going on to finding the HCF, let's find out the factors of 420 and 426. So 420, 2, 210, 2, 105, 3, 35, 5, 7, 7, 1, and 426, 2, this becomes 213, then 3, 71, and since 71 is a prime number, so this is 71 times 1. Okay, so we can write it as 420 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, and 426 is 2 into 3 into 71. Now among these two, the common factors are 2 into 3, and that is my HCF, highest common factors, and this is going to be 6. That means when these numbers are 6, they will leave the remainder 1. But now there's one more thing, how many numbers can be used as a divisor? So all the numbers which are also the factors of 6 will also give me the same property, they will also leave remainder 1. So the factors of 6 are 2, 3. So that means I have 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 6, which when divide 421 and 427, they will leave the remainder 1. So the counting is 1, 2 and 3. That means my answer is 3 for this question. Okay, this was the concept for HCF and HCF. So whenever we are asked a question in which we have been given a number A and B, and we are said that it is leaving a remainder C and D on dividing by a number A. So in that case, we will simply subtract C from A and D from B, and these two will give me the numbers which are completely divided by E. So that means the HCF of A minus C, comma B minus D must be a factor of E, right? So if E is something maybe a factor of this number, then you can find the highest factor here. So in that manner you can solve this one. Let's move on to a practice question. So this is the question, what is the largest number on dividing 7 behind remainders 1 and 4? So I hope the concept I have discussed आप लोग ट्राई कीजिए एक बार, और अगर इसका आंसर चाहिए, so this is our link for the Telegram group. So move on to the Telegram group and you will get the solution there. And we are coming with this series because we have one question for the previous year and one question for practice. That means we are building the consistency. If you are consistent for the 4 to 5 months, just doing even two questions, then you will be at the end have done a lot of questions. So that is our aim. Okay, thank you, and you can get the solution of this question on the PDF on our Telegram channel. Thank you.